You searched how to buy shares of flatexDEGIRO SE. flatexDEGIRO SE is a German online brokerage and financial services group traded on Xetra under the ticker FTK.de. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FTK.de to find flatexDEGIRO SE. Select the result listed on Xetra to make sure you are on the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a brief company summary and a price chart showing recent trading on Xetra. Double-check the company name and FTK.de ticker to confirm this is the right listing. To invest, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review fees and order details, then confirm the order. If Xetra is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link, please check the description below.